Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Lenovo Tab Plus 11.5. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on OK right away, or select Not Now and then click OK. Either way, when you're ready, tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Honor, which in this case is an Android. When you finish, hit Receive right next to Send on Lenovo and go back to your Android device to use all of those categories available at the top. From them, select all of your files that you wish to send. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and then point your tablet at the code. If you prefer to use this key, click on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers before they expire. And then to connect, select Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!